Hello, I will be sharing with you 6 potent natural remedies that are allies in promoting and maintaining optimal health. Guys, don't underestimate the lemon. Firstly, it is a rich source of vitamin C, potassium, and other essential minerals. Regularly consuming lemon water can enhance our natural immune system, thus preventing influenza and common colds. Lemon is not only good for immunity, it also aids in digestion, reduces fat in the liver, and can even help with weight loss as part of a balanced diet. Guys, lemon contains citrate to prevent and fight kidney stones. Our second natural remedy is ginger. It is rich in compounds like gingerol, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. He is recognized for his antiemetic properties, which aid in stomach emptying, thereby preventing reflux and indigestion. Ginger is an excellent natural remedy for nausea and vomiting, being safe even for pregnant women. Guys, this root also has anti-inflammatory action, being beneficial in relieving muscle, menstrual, and joint pain, such as those caused by arthritis, rheumatism, and osteoarthritis. Let's discuss an ingredient that many of you know and use in the kitchen, which is garlic. One of its most notable components is allicin. Allicin helps protect organs from toxins and toxic metals. Garlic contains a compound with antimicrobial properties that helps fight and prevent diseases. He still manages to protect his body against parasites. When it comes to cardiovascular health, garlic is extremely fascinating. He strives to decrease blood pressure and enhance circulation, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, it possesses antiplatelet properties that can decrease the risk of blood clots resulting from thrombosis. The water with integral salt. This simple natural remedy, when made with the right type of salt, can bring a series of health benefits. Integral salt has various functions, including the transportation of vitamin C directly to our cells, playing an interesting role in the regulation of glucose, helping to prevent osteoporosis, and even enhancing the electrical connection between our brain and nerve cells in a significant way. Guys, unlike regular table salt, which is highly refined, integral salt retains a wealth of minerals, all of which are vital and indispensable. She can also assist in regulating stress hormones and enhancing the quality of sleep. And it is interesting to note that despite concerns about high blood pressure, with hypertension, whole salt, when used in moderation, can help balance sodium levels. If you have pre-existing conditions such as heart or kidney diseases, consult your doctor before adopting this practice. Consuming diluted apple cider vinegar in the morning on an empty stomach can help stimulate the digestive system, acting as a gentle detox. Pectin, which is a soluble fiber found in apples, helps with intestinal health and combats constipation. For individuals who experience acid reflux, apple cider vinegar can be unexpectedly advantageous. Reflux is frequently caused by low acidity in the stomach as opposed to high acidity. In order to balance this acidity, it can be helpful to consume a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals. Another amazing benefit of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help control blood sugar. Drinking diluted apple cider vinegar before a carb-rich meal can reduce blood sugar spikes, being especially useful for people with diabetes, prediabetes, or insulin resistance. Propolis is a mixture of resin that is produced by bees. There are various types of propolis, each with its own specific indications. Brown propolis, for instance, is great for sore throat, colds, and topical application as an antiseptic and wound healer. Red propolis is known for its antioxidant properties, being also used in beauty creams, in the fight against parasites such as giardia and bacteria, and for its defamatory action. Green propolis is famous for its properties against fungi and bacteria, in aiding kidney function, in controlling herpes, in treating colds and flu, and even acts against cancer. Guys, green propolis is fantastic as an immunomodulator, that is, acting directly on the immune defense system in order to strengthen its defenses and its functioning. Thank you very much for your attention. A big hug, a kiss on your heart.